मित्रों, सादर जय जिनेन्द्र। मैं रोहिसा जैन अपने YouTube चैनल तीर्थंकर वर्धमान ज्ञान सागर पे आप लोगों का स्वागत करता हूं। मित्रों, आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने भगवान विष्णु के सनातन धर्म के विष्णु भगवान उनके 1000 नाम बताने जा रहा हूं अपने इस चैनल पे। सुनिएगा उनके कौन कौन से 1000 नाम हैं। लेकिन पहले सेगमेंट में 100 नाम बता रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को याद हो जाए। एक बार में सारे नाम बताना शायद वो जितना रहे, क्योंकि याद भी नहीं रहे। पर डे हम आपको 100 नाम बता के 10 दिन में 1000 नाम आपको बताएंगे, और उसके साथ उस नाम की महिमा भी बताएंगे। सुनिएगा भगवान विष्णु के 1000 नाम कौन कौन से हैं।
First, Visham, meaning he who is the universe, the Virat Purusha. Second, Vishnu, meaning he who pervades everywhere. Third, Vashtakar, he who is invoked for oblation. Fourth, Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu, the Lord of past, present and future. Fifth, Bhutakrit, the creator of all creatures. Sixth, Bhutabhrit, he who nourishes all creatures. Seventh, Bhavo, he who becomes all moving and non-moving things. Eighth, Bhutatma, the Atma of all beings. Ninth, Bhuta Bhavana, the causes of growth and birth of all creatures. 10th, Bhutatma, he with an extremely pure essence. 11th, Paramatma, the super soul. 12th, Mukatnam, the final goal reached by liberated soul. 13, Avyaha, without destruction. 14th, Purushaha, he who dwells in city of 9 gates. 15, Sakshi, the witness. 16, Kshetragya, the knower of the field. 17, Akshar, instructible. 18th, Yogvinta, he who is realized through yoga. 19, Yoga Vidam, the guide of those who know yoga. 20, Pradhan Purusheshwar, Lord of Pradhana and Purusha. 21, Narsinghpur, he whose from is man lion. 22, Shriman, he who is always the Shri. 23, Keshav, he who has beautiful locks of hair. 24, Purushottam, the supreme controller. 25, Sharv, he who is everything. 26, Sharvas, the auspicious. 27, Shiva, he who is eternally pure. 28, Sthanu, the pillar, the immovable truth. 29, Bhutadi, the causes of the 5 great elements. 13, Vidhirbhavya, the imperishable treasure. 31, Sambhav, he who descends of his own free will. 32, Bhavan, he who gives everything to his devotees. 33, Bharta, he who governs the entire living world. 34, Prabha, the warmth of the 5 great elements. 35, Prabhu, the Almighty Lord. 36, Ishvara, he who can do anything without any help. 37, Swayambhu, he who manifests from himself. 38, Shambhu, he who brings auspiciousness. 39, Aditya, the son of Aditi. 40, Pushpakraksh, he who has eyes like the lotus. 41, Mahaswan, he who has thundering voice. 42. Anandi Nidhana, he without origin or end. 43. Dhata, he who supports all fields of experience. 44. Vidhata, the dispenser of fruits of action. 45. Dhatu Ratma, the subtlest atom. 46. Amaprimeyi, he who cannot be preserved. 47. Rishikesh, the Lord of the Saints. 48. Padmanabh, he from whose navel comes the lotus. 49. Amar Prabhu, the Lord of the Devas. 15. Vishwakarma, the creator of the universe. 51. Manu, he who has manifest as the Vedic mantras. 52. Tvashta, he who makes huge things small. 53. Stavishta, the supremely gross. 54. Stvido Dhruv, the ancient motionless one. 55. Agrahi, he who is not preserved sensually. 56. Shashvat, he who always remains the same. 57. Krishna, he whose complexion in dark. 58. Lohitaksh, red-eyed. 59. Pradarshan, the supreme destruction. 60. Prabhut, ever full. 61. Trikumdham, the support of three quarters. 62. Pavitram, he who gives purity to the heart. 63. Mangalam, the supreme auspicience. 64. Ishan, the controller of the five great elements. 65. Pranad, he who gives life. 66. Pran, he who ever lives. 67. Jesht, older than all. 68. Shesht, the most glorious. 69. Prajapati, the Lord of all creatures. 70. Hiranyagarbha, he who dwells in the womb of the world. 71. Bhugmarbh, he who is the womb of the world. 72. Madhav, husband of Lakshmi. 73. Madhusudan, destroyer of the Madhu demon. 74. Ishvara, the controller. 75. Vikrami, he who is full of prowess. 76. Dhanvi, he who always has a divine bow. 77. Medhavi, supremely intelligent. 78. Vikrama, he who stabbed Vamana. 79. Karma, all preventing. 80. Anutum, incomparably great. 81. Durashadra, he who cannot be attacked successfully. 82. Kritagya, he who knows all that is. 83. Kriti, he who rewards all our actions. 84. Atmavan, the self in all beings. 85. Suresh, the lord of the demigods. 86. Sharnam, the refuse. 87. Sharma, he who is himself infinite bliss. 88. Praja Vishvareta, the seeds of the universe. 89. Prajabhav, he from whom all Praja comes. 90. Samastar, He who is the nature of time. 91. Aha. He who is the nature of me. He from whom the concept of the time comes. 93. Vyal. The serpent to atheist. 93. Pratyay. He whose nature in knowledge. 94. Savdarshan, all seeing. 95. Aj, unborn. 96. Sabdeshwar, controller of all. 97. Siddh, the most famous. 98. Siddhi, the beginning of all. 100. अच्युत, इनफेलिबल।
तो मित्रों, इसी तरह हमारा प्रोत्साहन बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। जय जिनेंद्र, धन्यवाद।